Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My area is a complete and total disaster, but I'm okay with that. So if you're wondering how I have no makeup on, but my eyebrows look just amazing, it's because I actually went and got them waxed and tinted, which is why I'm red. But that's not why we're here. We are here because Ipsy has finally arrived. It just got here literally 30 minutes ago. So we're gonna unbox. Ooh. I forgot I redeemed points. I was like, ooh, extra surprise. Okay, so I already know I was getting this. These are red cherry eyelashes. They are 100% human hair. Ooh, they feel nice. But the band looks cheap. We'll give it a shot. So that is what I redeemed 600 points for. I've never tried red cherry lashes, so hopefully they're not total trash. We will find out later. Next thing in here is a Farrah brush. So this is the 20. Okay. Sorry, if you saw my recent Jeffree Star video, you saw I used Farrah brushes and I got a double-ended Farrah brush. So I was kind of confused as to if this was pretty much the same thing I've been using. It has a nice fluffy brush on one end and a nice short blending brush on the other. I actually am excited to use that. The Farrah brushes have been like a go-to for me. So far we are 1 for 1 with Ipsy. Okay, so here is our card that's going to tell us the cost of everything. We'll go back to that in a second. Next up is a Pixi Skin Treats H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. Let's see. I need to clean my area up. Okay, so it is an actual gel. It doesn't feel greasy. Has a very, excuse me, I have hiccups, very minor scent to it. So I am excited to try that. Ooh, it feels good once your skin absorbs it. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, next. Eggplant Clearing 5.5 Cleansing Foam. So you can go through and like say whether you want or don't want products. This was something I didn't want, but we will try it. It is a clearing cleansing foam, pleasant cleansing experience, results with its rich word, I don't even know what it is, lather, leaving skin feeling sleek and supple. We will try it for a skincare Saturday video. 2 more items. First is Nature's Cartel Multi-Purpose Stick. It is vegan and cruelty free. Let's see. A little sticky stick. I'm gonna roll it all the way up so we can, okay, so that is a pretty decent amount. Ooh. The outside of it, okay, so I'm not crazy. The outside of it is oily. And then like for some reason, and this is why I'm rolling it all the way back down. Because I'm a klutz. It has like a goldish purple sheen to it. I think this, ooh. Ooh. Oh. That is so greasy. And it does not blend into the skin well. I mean, it's pretty. But girl, if you're greasy, I mean, if you're like, have like oily skin and you put this on top, you're gonna look greasy. Just saying. Yeah. Okay, so using products from Ipsy and Birchbox, I think that's, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little look. This has kind of been my go-to bronzy look lately. I'm gonna take my It Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna take some of the Marcel City Extremely Liquidy Tinted Cream with 25 SPF. And now, as you can see, it does not provide a lot of coverage. That's why I don't like it. But it does apply a little bit. Provide, not apply. It does provide a little bit. So I'm going to go in with some concealer. What is all over the outside of my concealer? So today was my 18-year-old brother's first official day of summer because school has let out, and he decided to tell me that I have a breakout. And I just kind of looked at him like, gee, thanks, I didn't know it was already on my face. He goes, you should use acne products. I appreciate your input and I appreciate you trying to help, but I don't use acne products because they tend to be a little too harsh for my face. My face is going through a weird transition period right now. Okay, so that is that. Now I am going to set my face with the Milani. As you can see, I really, really like this Milani foundation. And I'm just going to set my face. But it is my special not so fun time of the month, so I am like breakout central. Plus it doesn't help that I went on like a junk food eating binge. So when I told him that, he just kind of looked at me like I didn't need to know that. Well, now you do. Okay, now I'm gonna take a blush brush, any blush brush. This is a Luxie brush. I'm gonna actually try out this blush from Kaleido. Yeah, Kaleido. I like it. Now we're gonna take the Aero Enhance waterproof eyeliner and pop that on our lower lash line. Not even our lower lash line, our waterline. I am going to pop on my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. And I'm gonna try out the lashes another day. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighter in the shade I'm So Lit. Overall, I know I'm going to love the Pixi H2O Skin Drink. I've never tried a Pixi product I didn't love. However, it feels like it's filled up to like right here. I'm not even gonna lie. It feels super light. This I'm a little weary about. Y'all know how I am about skin. Y'all know how I am. I like certain things. I'm like cleaning up as I go, guys, because I have not like cleaned up my area in a minute. It's been a minute. This brush, I have been using my Farrah brushes. I don't even remember where I got them, but I have been using them recently, and I do actually really, really like them. The Marcel City Tinted Cream. You saw, there's like no coverage. If anything, I'd just use it for the SPF. This I don't hate, but this tiny little sample is gonna get lost in the shuffle. I promise you. Plus, I can just go buy the Catrice version, and it does the exact same thing for like, I think it's $7 or $8 at Ulta. Or, I don't even have it up here. Yeah, I don't have it up here. Do I? No, I don't. But Jordana makes one as well. Is it Jordana? But I have the full size that Birchbox sent me by Arrow, and it's a lip balm, not a lip stain or lipstick or anything like that. So I have other options, so I don't see myself going out and buying the Jane Iredale or Iredale, whatever it's called. The blush, I like it. It's pretty. It's very springy. It just gives you a nice, cute little glow. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't tried the Glam Glow face stuff yet that I got from BoxyCharm. And this, I'm giving this away. I'm not using this. I can tell you right now that is gonna be breakout central on my face. I'm sorry it wasn't super exciting. I was hoping Ipsy was gonna be better, especially since we said goodbye to Birchbox. Ipsy, step up your game or you're next, and I will just get lots of BoxyCharms. Don't tempt me. Just saying. Keep in mind, we have BoxyLuxe and FabFitFun. I think FabFitFun will be here next month. Plus, we have BoxyLuxe next month. So I'm super, super excited. I've been trying really hard to not look at spoilers. I got an email to pick something, and I said, just pick for me. So I'm trying really hard to keep BoxyLuxe a 100% surprise. Same with FabFitFun. I didn't do my box customization. Fingers crossed I get things I want. I did do the add-on sale though. I have a few things coming in the add-on sale. But that is all for this video. I will see you guys next video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. In the meantime, bye guys.